On Thursday, February 20, Australian Ambassador to Indonesia visited Aussie Corner at Library Campus B. This visit was made by Ambassador Gary Quinlan, accompanied by Australian Consul General Chris Barnes in Surabaya. Their second arrival was accepted by Prof. Nyoman Puspaningsih, UNAIR Vice Rector 1.
Well, I hope it becomes bigger and stronger and more attractive to a great number of other students, but in particular I hope it becomes a much closer partner with Australian universities. It already has a close partnership with a number of West Australian universities in particular, but the future of both our countries means as our economies get closer and closer and integrate more to bring greater prosperity to both of us.
This visit became an opportunity for the ambassador to do public lectures in front of dozens of UNAIR students. The relation between these two parties is established since UNAIR has a good relation with Western Australia government and also one of the members in Association of Western Australia East Java University Consortium. The visit also opened great opportunities for students to get information related to education in Australia. From Campus B, UNAIR Channel, reporting.